Prezentacja będzie po angielsku. So thank you guys for joining us here today, just after lunch. Probably you're a little bit sleepy now, but I hope to energize you a little bit. I am very excited about being here today on this stage and to speak to you. My name is Kasia Lipinska, and I am lucky to be a part of iRespo team and to make it all happen. I am a partner responsible for business development, but to be honest, this presentation is also a part of my personal development, as I am so stressed staying here and talking to you in English, so please forgive me for any mistakes, but I hope everything will go well. So now, I'm going to present to you a technology that will completely change your image of attending the next conference or any other event. And now I need one volunteer to come and join me on the stage. So, one volunteer? Please come. Okay, what's your name? Magda. Magda, so I have one question for you. But be honest, how many times you are using your phone today during the presentations? And be honest, were you checking your social media instead of listening? Yes. Okay, so I have a surprise. We recorded what you were doing, so let's check. All right. Okay, one more question for you. Wouldn't it be cool to use your phone during the event to ask questions or comment what someone is saying?
Yes.
Yeah? Yeah, it would be cool. So now please promise me that you will submit your question or comment using our app on your phone just in a while. So wait a little bit for tips how to do that.
Okay.
So thank you. Applause. As you could see, the audience is mostly purely engaged during events. And iRespo gives a solution for this. So what is iRespo? iRespo empowers event organizers and speakers to conduct polls, so asking the audience any question they want to. They get live results, real-time feedback. They can communicate with the audience via text messages or via audio. Live results can be shared on social media, and everything is designed in a very user-friendly way, so I promise you no complicated setup is involved. But now, no more bullshit, just let's check how it works. So, please take your phones now. Now it is allowed to use your phone. Go to our website, iRespo.com. Are you ready? Then, type number 6 in the event ID field. And then press the button Join. So now we are ready to answer the first question. The question is, why did you decide to join this event today? And you have 4 options. So let's play. And you have 30 seconds to answer. All right, let's check the answers. All right, nice pics for my Insta. Great, so that was the first question, and please stay on this page or remember it because I will ask you one more question in the end. So, it's exciting to show you all the features we have at the moment. But now, we want more, and probably you want to hear more. And we are at the blockchain conference, so probably you think now, okay guys, but where is blockchain? So let me explain it. Social sharing is our application default, which means the data is public. And that's perfect for blockchain, right? So let me go into more detail. We can collect data from polls conducted around the world. Then we can put this data into one smart contract table on the blockchain platform. In result, the data is available for analysis. So you can easily search for similar questions and check the responses. So let's say we have a company, a big company like Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is conducting polls around the world, asking people if they prefer Coca-Cola or Pepsi. And people in country X say that they prefer Coca-Cola, but people in country Y say that they prefer Pepsi. So now Coca-Cola can adapt their marketing strategy and use it for their business intelligence. Then, at the moment, we are saying that everything is for free, and we place results on blockchain. But there is a bigger picture. So finally, it will be possible to make models where, for example, an event organizer gain profits by allowing people to access his data, the answers he collected, or to get a discount for example, for our services, just by allowing to put his data on the blockchain. And now, if you have any doubts, if you are curious or want to know more, you can submit your questions or comments exactly on the iRespo page, and we will have them stored, so we will ask them later during a Q&A session. Now, we do not only want to use any blockchain platform. We will integrate with EOS. So now, probably you are going to ask, why is it better than, for example, Ethereum? So there are a couple of things. First of all, scalability. So its power to support thousands or even millions of decentralized applications. And this is the answer for the lack of effectiveness of current blockchain platforms. In the beginning, just after the launch in June 2018, EOS will support 1,000 transactions per second. And this is 500 more than, for example, Bitcoin, or 600 more than Ethereum. Then, flexibility. So it will be possible to change the code if it turns out that it's not correct. Third, governance. So EOS is going to introduce a constitution of acceptable behavior, so all the illegal actions will be blocked and eliminated. And last but not least, usability. So user-friendly account names and the use of standard language C++ instead of specific language like Solidity for Ethereum. So it's cool, right? Okay. already presented is just the beginning. As I said, we want more. So let me explain. We are starting with polls. But in the next step, we want to group questions into the whole groups and to create surveys. Then, by rating answers to these surveys, you can easily create tests. Smart contract is an easy way to verify the results and to let know the user about his score. So just imagine language schools, for example, language schools testing their students. And the last steps are verified certificates. So we want to create the possibility to store all the documents like diplomas, driving licenses, other certificates on blockchain to make them trustworthy and accessible. Just imagine an institution assigning a certificate to the user. The user is the owner of the data. And then he can easily share the data with, for example, a recruiter that is asking for documents regarding his recruitment process, like diploma or other certificates. So this is the big picture, and these are the next steps we want to achieve. So iRespo will be a group of 4 products, not only the polls. What we are planning for the upcoming months? So we are planning to launch ICO in July 2018. Before that, we will issue our white paper and ICO terms in May 2018. In June, just after the launch of EOS platform, on the 1st of June, we will be integrated with EOS and will be also integrated with Scatter. So for those who don't know what Scatter is, this is a tool for verifying a transaction. So we do not get direct access to your private key, so the transactions are safe. All right, so now one more question for you. And please use our, again, our website to vote. So now my question is, how would you rate my presentation? How would you like it? So please, yeah, play. And remember that my boss is sitting here. Okay, time finished. I think I have to improve some things. But thank you guys for this feedback. So now we are ready to answer your questions. Me and Philip, that is our founder and also the tech guy, tech brain of our project. So please ask anything you want to, or we are also present in the foyer at our stand. So if not now, you can just come and say hello to us. So do you have any questions?
I know that we had a question why I'm here. I think that this will be a really good project because we will be one of the first projects in the world to have a working production application based on EOS, because EOS starts in June, and we have already a working product, and this in the middle of June we will have the working product integrated with blockchain, and basically with, I believe, the best blockchain EOS. So I think that the question why I'm here, the answer is that because you want to be first to hear about us.
Any more questions? We have a really good cookies at our stand.
And sorry, right now the computer is there, so I don't have the access. So if anyone writes the question there, so maybe just the voice question.
Okay. Anyway.
If not, that we can obviously answer those questions afterwards.
Yeah. Just meet us in the foyer. Thanks.